Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you here back to our channel. This is Simon Gun and you guys are in Trade Africa. Today is Sunday and we're tuning in here in order to start with our session 120 for today, and we are now going to start seeing talking about our recap trader. But before we jump there, let me welcome those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue encore sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Simon Gon et aujourd'hui c'est dimanche soir et il est 18h passé de 25 minutes ici dans le New York. Alors nous allons commencer avec notre soirée. Nous commencerons par la récapitulation des trades de la semaine. Chers traders, alors prenez vos places et nous allons commencer. Trader, we gotta start with our recap. Let me place our software here. As you can see, the 5 days starting from Sunday till Thursday in our account, this is what we made. We're still moving on the red, trader. When you start something like trading particularly, you got to understand that you are on the learning phases, which means what? You're going to move toward and within the losses. Yes, you got to understand that. That is something I didn't understand before when I started this journey 5 years ago. I started with the stock market, and today we trading the Forex. It doesn't mean that we're not longer trading stocks. It's just that at this time, that is what we're focusing on based off our schedule. So when you start trading, you gotta fight to reduce your losses. That is what we're doing here. We're doing it by using I'm using real money, but with a small quantity of unit. I'm using a small amount of money so that I should not lose a lot, which will going to affect my day-to-day life of my family. That is what I can recommend you also as well, that you guys have to do the same. Don't pour a lot of money on the market because we're still on the learning phases. So that is why, since we're using a small amount of money, we lose also small. But it doesn't mean that when those losses added one after another, it's going to become a lot. For example, since the start of this year, as I launched this program, we are already above $1,000 and something losses, which I lost more, I particularly. So even though I'm losing small, but when I also analyze each month now, I see that I'm on, each month I'm losing each month, but my losses are not too bigger, and that is likewise each month I'm losing, each week also I'm losing, and I'm working toward the fact that one day I'm going to, those losses will become with the break even, and then I will start winning. So because it's a process, it's a big process. So now that is what I lost this week, $39, which is not too huge, but it's there. $39 we lost this week. If we go, that is overall for the week, starting from Sunday to Thursday. Now, when we come here, we see that we already trade because today is the 16th. We already have 2 weeks of trading. The first week, as you can see, I just had 2 days of winning days. I lost 3 days. The second week as well, I lost, 3 days, and I made money on just a little bit on 2 days. So it means what? It means that I'm moving not on the right direction, but my direction is not quite right. But we have to keep working, trader. I'm still working. Hopefully things will going to turn around, since we are still on the learning. As if we continue here, we're going to see that this is my calendar for this week, what I lost, what I made. The first day, you see this is my curve, equity curve. As you can see here, the drawdown, I went down. The first day was here. The second day I just was a little bit smaller, and the third day, and my biggest losses was on the 4 days. Thursday I lost $34, and Friday I made $20. So it's not quite encouraging, but it's there. Let me go now to see my report. Here. Let's see the overall. Let's see what matters the most. The time frame of the trade. Each trade. What is the time frame? I'm talking about the holding time frame here. The holding time frame overall, I'm holding average holding time frame is 12 minutes, and average holding time winning trade, I'm holding winning trade 18 minutes, and the losing trade 9 minutes. So I'm progressing, even though I'm losing, but I'm working hardly to cut my holding losing time frame, which is great. I gotta stay on the winning trade for long, and losing trade, I shouldn't stay for long. I gotta cut my losses earlier as possible, and my overall time is 12 minutes. So it's great. Now I'm happy with those outcomes. That one. And if we go here to see the report of the time, maybe day and time we're trading, we will see that what is the day we are trading here, and the Monday, you see, and we can see how the average day we're trading. Gross analysis, we will try to understand how things work daily, ladies and gentlemen. We can check now here our P&L. We will see how many days. Monday, what is the day we try to do more. We see here that the Wednesday here we took 13 trade here, and Monday 64 trade. Monday I traded a lot. And if we go here to see our risk reward, or the way we were, we're going to see that. Let me see here. Let me go back to our dashboard, which I wanted to talk about. We see that we went down. Before we jump to what I was talking about, we went down to our trade winning percentage, which is 39%. You see, and daily winning 40%. This is not good, trader. We need to fight to improve our trade winning days, here, and also the percentage, win ratio, which is very, very important. We have 39%, 39.78%, which is not good, trader. We need to work on it. Yep, we need to work on it. It's very, very important. Okay, now we have daily journal here. Okay, in the daily journal here, we have a Thursday. We took the total of trade here. We have 6 trade. Those 6 trade, we have 100% because the rate. So we won all the 6 trade, as you can see here. Yeah, 100%, which is good. Okay, 100% of accuracy. It was nice. So, and on on Wednesday, also the win ratio here was 7.69%, which is not good because we just won one trade and we lost 12. Not good. And here we have 53%, 53.13%. Out of 64 trade, I won 34 and I lost 30. That one also is the average is there. So when we also go to Sunday trade, we played 62 trade and we won just 34%. 20 was won and 42 was lost. So though that's something I have to take time to analyze myself. This was a recap of the week, what we did. I can't say that I'm proud of what's going on here, but I just need to I need to understand that I have a lot to work on. Chers traders, j'étais en train de dire que ça c'est la récapitulation de la semaine, et quand nous voyons dans l'ensemble ici, nous voyons que nous avons perdu $39. Nous ne parlons pas ici en termes d'argent, parce que les shares que nous prenons ou bien les quantités que nous prenons sont très peu, car nous sommes à l'apprentissage. Et lorsqu'on apprend, on va se rendre compte qu'il y aura des moments où nous aurons des pertes. Nous ne sommes pas ici en train de faire l'argent, nous sommes en train d'apprendre. Lorsque vous apprenez, que ce soit la conduite, ce n'est pas très important d'utiliser une voiture très luxueuse ou qui coûte cher, parce que vous pourrez l'écorcher, voilà, la gratter. Donc, vous devrez utiliser une voiture, quelque chose que s'il arrive que malheur arrive, bon, ça ne vous coûtera pas tellement cher. Ce que nous devons faire ici. Utilisons les petites quantités parce que nous sommes en train d'apprendre. Et lorsque vous apprenez, dans l'ensemble, vous aurez des pertes. Et ça m'a pris beaucoup de temps afin de comprendre ça, ce phénomène, puisque au début, j'allais avec beaucoup d'argent et je mettais, ainsi que je perdais aussi beaucoup. Donc, aujourd'hui, je me suis ressaisi et j'ai commencé ce programme depuis janvier jusqu'à aujourd'hui, ce qui fait que même si vous perdez petit, ça va toujours s'ajouter et ça deviendra une grosse somme. Lorsque je regarde la totalité d'argent que j'ai perdu depuis janvier, ça fait déjà plus de 1000 quelque chose de dollars. Donc ça prouve que ce n'est pas rien. Voilà. Donc nous devrons continuer à utiliser les petites quantités afin que s'il arrive que nous puissions avoir des pertes comme celle-ci, qu'elles ne soient pas très grandioses. Donc cette semaine, c'est ça qui s'est passé. $39, nous allons voir que ma moyenne de comment dirais-je, de positivité, voilà, a été 39,78 et chaque jour, la moyenne journalière était de 40%. C'est pas très bon, c'est pas bon même. Voilà, c'est pas ce que nous pouvons apprécier, c'est pas bien. Nous avons beaucoup à travailler encore, chers traders. J'ai encore beaucoup à travailler, il faut améliorer. Lorsque nous voyons ici, nous voyons que le premier jour, dimanche, c'était ceci. Deuxième jour, ça. Troisième jour, ici. Quatrième jour, j'ai perdu plus. Et le cinquième jour, j'essaie un peu de réduire. C'est ce que vous voyez ici dans le calendrier. Voilà. Le rouge montre les jours de perte. Et le vert montre les jours où j'ai gagné. Donc, dans la semaine déjà, les 2 semaines de trading, je n'ai que 4 jours de gain. Et combien de jours? Et presque 6 jours de perte. Voilà. 6 jours de perte, 4 jours de gain. Alors nous avançons vers la fin du mois. Je ne sais pas ce qu'il va nous réserver. Ça fait déjà 2 semaines que nous avons déjà perdu. Donc nous marchons toujours dans la perte. La première semaine était $17,5. Aujourd'hui c'est $39. Donc presque le double. Voilà. Donc plus du double. Nous allons continuer à travailler dur chez Trader cette semaine encore. Nous allons essayer de nous battre pour voir ce que nous aurons à la fin. Et lorsque nous regardons la moyenne, comme j'ai montré ici dans le rapport, nous nous rendons compte, nous voyons notre courbe ici. Voilà. Nous sommes à la perte et nous voyons que le temps où nous arrêtons de trade dans l'ensemble, c'est 12 minutes et le trade profitable, c'est 18 minutes et la perte, c'est 9 minutes. Donc, c'est pas mal à ce point. C'est quelque chose que nous devons continuer à travailler dessus. Voilà, c'est bien. Déjà que nous rejetons le mauvais trade très rapidement et nous focalisons plus dans le trade sur lequel nous gagnons. Voilà. Donc, nous allons continuer à travailler dessus. Trader, that was for a recap of this week. Okay, let's now go straight forward to our trade. Today we'll start analyzing our trade. Trader, let's try to analyze our trade. We see that we are, without even going to the daily chart, we gap down and we went right up. You know, trader, we went right up. Even though we have turmoil on the Middle East right now, but our pair are moving up. Trader, our pair are moving up. I don't know what oil are doing right now. Maybe oil also move up because the price increased. Trader, since we have that turmoil, we have a gap down and now wrapping up, back up. So let's go now to our daily chart to precisely see how things moved. You see our daily chart, we move down and now right away we did this, which you can see. So when, let's say you wake up in the morning, you place your trade here yesterday, Friday. Yes, you took a swim trade on Friday. You wake up now, you find out that maybe you enter here on Friday, this dry. Now you have a gap down and now you see this rip up. What are you going to do? Most of the people will be tempted to get out of the trade because they are on profit. That is how most of the people are going to do. So it means that the way we're going to see the market today, as you can see, it opened here and went right up. We're going to look at our market on the downtrend, you know, trader, because this is a rip up. You know, we need to take advantage for the short, because people are going to take profit here when the market is going to open. The market already open, senior already open. People are going to take profit. Even Tokyo, Japanese, going to jump on opportunity here. Let's go to our 4 hours. See 4 hours trader. We see a big move up. Trader. So let's go now to our 5 minute that we used to trade. See a consolidation. So trader, let's see. Let's wait. Comme je disais, nous voyons le daily, la bougie journalière, nous voyons que nous avons un très grand saut vers le haut. Il a d'abord fait un bond vers le bas et remonté, dépassé la fermeture et continuer. Donc nous voyons, ça nous amène à comprendre que nous devons nous méfier pour pouvoir, les gens prendront le profit sans doute. Donc nous devons être prêts à descendre avec ces personnes-là. Donc nous allons attendre que le marché que 19 arrive pour savoir comment nous allons placer nos trades, chers traders. Approaching 7, trader. Trader, we're still waiting for time to come. Waiting for 7 p.m. Donc, on attend, cher trader. Attendant 19h, afin que nous puissions commencer. We welcome those who are already tuning here. We're waiting for 7 p.m. As I was saying, this trade, I'm gonna go short here. Trader. I'm gonna go short when the trade come below the 20 EMA. We see our trade coming below 20 EMA, I will go short. Let's see. I'm going to enter here and placing my stop above trader. I'm going to take a short and place my stop above. I'm going to place my stop above. I'm in for the short trader. I'm still above the 20, but I can take that risk. Placing my stop above the high. So let's see. Taking that risk for the short. And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold my trade. Watching, and in the meantime, the target gotta be here below. Target gotta be here below, trader. Going short. Let's see. Watching. Pretty a descent. Short. Watching. See a push up. Let's see where you're going to stop. Watching. Now 7. We saw the push up at 7. Let's see if we're going to have a break. enter the trade before 7 p.m. Let's see. Australia Japanese. Already we took a short like this, but we have a squeeze. We don't know if that gotta be the case today, but we just try and see. If we have a squeeze up, we'll take a loss. Trading is a probability. You gotta just try and try again and again. That's the only thing you have to do. So let's see this time if we're gonna have another squeeze up like the other day. Moving up. Sorry. Gotta hold this trade as long as it doesn't kick us out. Watching the downtrend. Short. We're still holding our trade as long as it doesn't kick us out. Trader, we know with the real battle, we have been low high. If we break, now we get out of the trade with a loss. Keep holding. We're now low high. Let's see. We're going to have a break. Now resistance. Close to breakout. We're Japanese, wanna break. GBP, close my stop. So get out of the trade or wait. See earlier. Want to see a rejection? Want to see a rejection? See a rejection? Nice rejection from the high. See, nice rejection, trader. Look like buyer still in control here. We're gonna trigger our stop, but that's fine. See a holding here for a short. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna break through and see the rejection now. US Japanese gonna break through GBP. Another candle. Gotta be out of GBP and US Japanese at the same time. So we're moving up, trader. Let's see. I know that I jumped the gun on this trade. Probably I was supposed to wait for the trade to come below the 20. It's okay. Let's see. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can re-enter this trade. Trader. Trying to see. I'm trying again. I know it's not good, but I'm trying. You see my stop again here. Short again. watching. Let's watch. See? We see a rejection from the 20. Want to see our trade breaking the 20? See a rejection from the 20. Want to see it below the 20 here and continuation down. See a rejection. Thank you, Chelsea. Hello. We are here on the short. We're waiting to see what the market going to do. Thank you. I'm holding the short here. I went to the short. It kicked me out to a 2 trade. I don't know what we're going to have here. This trade might refuse to come down. We have some other trade like that. The other day we have a this kind of move. We took it for a short, but we never get it. It's still there. Hopefully this day will not be the same. Yeah, the target is on the 50 EMA is good, but maybe my target is a little bit down. Yeah, that is good. 50 EMA is good to be a good target. Mine is after 200 EMA. That is where my target is located. I'm not sure that I'm going to hold it till there, but you never know. You never know. Never know. We're watching. Hopefully we'll continue down. Depending of the time, particularly at 8, gotta be careful. Our trade may just remain on the 20 like this. It's possible. We had it the last time. Hopefully you won't see a low high there. Want to see a lower. Want to see break below 20. See holding here. We still here above 20. Hear me? See holding here for short. Sorry. Watching. I'll trade holding above the 20 trader. This is probably significant here. You know, significant. I mean, you know, because I was speaking both languages, you know, say it in French as in English. In English is significant, you know, significatif in French, you know, but in English significant. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, we keep holding here, trader. Keep holding our trade, expecting our trade to come down. Keep holding our trade, expecting our trade to come down below the 20. Continuons à arrêter nos trades ici. Nous espérons qu'ils vont casser le 20. Espérons. Keep seeing the push up. Look like we keep, you know, holding there. The uptrend. You hold it. We have a big move at the opening. We don't know. We don't even know the reason, because next time what I have to do is that I need to sorry, to put the news board here so that I can check also the news every day. Anytime I see kind of move like this one, it's important to check the news to see if it's something. You know, we know that we have turmoil in the Middle East right now, but we're not trading gold, we're not trading oil. You know, we're trading currencies. It's possible that the currencies also might be, you know, impacted. So, but we don't know. Don't know yet, because the way we see our trade keep holding here at the 20 EMA after this big move, so tell us a lot. Anyway, I have to follow my plan here. I already kicked out of 2 trades. That was the US Japanese and GBP. Want to see our trade moving lower on the 20 EMA. Approaching 8. 20 minutes. 8 here. Everything can happen in 20 minutes. Select Japanese. Keep pushing up. Slowly pushing up. See a rejection. Approaching 8. Approach 20. Trader, see holding here for trade for the short. Trading is very difficult. You guys have to trade on a demo account or platform account. Otherwise, if you want to use the real money, just a tiny account like me. I'm using a very tiny account because you're going to have losses. We're here to learn, not to make money. That is what we're doing here. If you come here, don't think that you're coming to make money. Just come here to learn. We're doing this exercise every day here, learning how to trade because we're looking for skill. When we get that skill, trader will going to increase our quantity. So at this point, you don't have to take so much, too many quantity, just a little bit, just to learn. If you want to put the real money, just a little bit, tiny account. I'm telling you this because I know I've been there. I've been trading for 5 years, so I know. When I started, I didn't know this. I was pouring a lot of money in the market, thousands and thousands and dollars, tens of thousands of dollars in the market. Yeah, I remember I had an account for $40,000 account. Yeah, I had it. $40,000, $28,000, $40,000 account, and that money evaporated. It went all. Yep, telling you, because I know. But when you start trading, people tell you things you won't believe. You don't believe it. They tell you, say, oh, just because they don't want you to prosper. That is why. They are not more smart. They are not smart. You're very smart than them. That is why you're going to feel. Yep. You're going to think. You're going to feel that. When people take small quantity, you're going to take a lot. Because you want to make money. It's true. You're going to make it once. And when you make it, you're going to get hooked. That is the problem. They show you the way. Hey, do this. You say, no, I'm more smarter. I know better than you. You're going to do the opposite what we're telling you. Trading a demo. Take a small quantity. Say no. Okay. Go ahead and take big. No problem. So, I don't want you guys to have the same experience like me. Look, for example, this week I just lost $39. That is when I was doing the recap. I lost $39 this week. Last week I lost, I think, $17 or $15. I lost that last week. The entire week. Yeah, I'm talking about the entire week. It means Sunday to Thursday. I lost $17. I lost $39. That is good, man. Imagine that. It was instead to $39, it was $3,900. Or it was $39,000 I lost. I couldn't speak like I'm speaking right now. Yep. That is how it is. And when you see, since we started this journey on January till now, we never skip any day without trading. And we're going every single week, losses after losses, losses after losses, losses after losses. Yep. It doesn't mean that we don't have a winning day. We do. But overall, we're not making money. That is what I mean. That we need to take small quantity. Very, very important, trader. If you don't believe me, you do whatever you want. I'm just here to help, You're free to do whatever you want to do. I'm transferring you experience I got for 5 years of trading. Those experiences I want to share with you guys. But if you don't believe me, you do whatever you want. Before I was not journaling my trading. Now I'm doing it. A lot of things I'm doing now, I was not doing it. I was not watching my video. Now I'm watching all my video here. All the videos see me recording here. What I'm doing is that I'm watching those videos one after another. One at a time. I watch them all to see where was my mistake, where was my error, what did I do good, all right, why did I lose here, why did I make money here. I watch them. In the long run, they're going to help. That is what I can also encourage you to do. Very, very important. So our trade are bouncing up, back up, which is not good, trader. But we're still holding here. This trade is resembling the other trade I took. I don't recall, was last week. Where gap up like this one. I took a trade, expecting the trade to pull back down, but I end up losing the trade because the trade remained on top of the 20 EMA like this guy is doing right now. I did everything until the end of the trading session. The trade never break the 20 EMA. But There are other trade we used to, there are other trade when they go up like this. Now, sometimes I don't even jump in. Now the trade just come down trend, and go back even more than where it started. So each trade is unique. You never compare trade. I don't know which direction this one gonna take today. Whether I'm gonna break and come down, or it will stay there forever like the other day. I'm gonna take a loss. There's nothing I can do. So I don't know. I'm gonna hold this trade until 8. I'll see. Maybe at 8 you're gonna kick me out. I don't know. So keep holding. You have to increase your shares or your unit or your quantity when you realize that you have been making money consistently during a large period of time. You're consistent during a long period of time. Now you can say, okay, now I can increase. I can take one lot. Why not? Because I prove myself that I can make money. But if you're doing like what I'm doing right now, you're still like me. Every single week you're red. Every single week you're red. I don't feel that there's any way to increase your quantity. Yeah, you gotta be realistic. Very, very important. Gotta be realistic. Gotta see what you're doing, your performance, and now you act according to your performance. That's it. Don't be a loser like what I'm doing and you say that you're going to increase your quantity, because I'm still a loser. Yep, let's say the truth. Because each single week I'm red. It's just few weeks that I'm in green, but most of the week I'm in red. And overall in the month I'm in red. Since I started, I don't think that I have a green month here. I never have a green month. 6 months today, I'm still having red month after red month, red month after red month. So when it's like that, you gotta be careful. You shouldn't increase your quantity. Me too, I'm making some mistakes. Sometimes I increase my quantity. Like today I have 0.03. I used to 0.02. Now I jump on 0.03. This is not good. Also, you are Japanese going to the resistance here, ladies and gentlemen. You see we are moving up. Not good. Trader. Not good here. We're approaching 8 p.m. People like to listen liars. People lies a lot. Sell dreams. Those are people they trust. But when you tell people the truth, they don't believe you. They don't trust you. Because you're telling the truth. That is how it is. But if you lie, you sell dreams, all right, then people listen to you. Because that is what people like to hear. You're telling them what they're expecting to hear. Trader, we are not here for that. We're not here for that. Here to help, to tell the truth. Australia, Japanese. Australia want to break. I don't know. That is high, Australia. Approaching now 8, less than 4 minutes to 8 here. Trader, see holding the short. What I'm gonna do is that when we get to 8 p.m. I'm not getting out of my trade till I get stopped out. I will stay here and see what the market gonna do. Trader, the market break, I'll be out of the trade with a loss. But if the market pull back, we'll be fine. Watching here. Chers traders, on continue à arrêter. D'ici peu, il sera 20h. Et nous allons voir ce que le marché fera à 20h. Peut-être si le marché continue. Peut-être je m'enlèvera sur mon stop. Surtout sur Australie. Tokyo. Donc, nous allons voir. Il est à côté de mon stop. Je ne sais pas ce qu'il fera. Let's see, the market going to open soon. We'll see if we are going to have a breakout there or pull back down, because we don't really know what moved the market up today. We must see a continuation. So less than 1 minute, trader, we're going to have 8. Australia is almost ready to break. Let's see. Less than a minute, trader. Gonna see. We'll see if we're gonna pull back or gonna break. This is like a gamble a little bit, because you don't know what the market gonna do soon. Right now, you don't know. So let's see. Less than a minute. All right, it's 8 now, trader. Let's see what the market gonna do. Maybe breakout. Breakout. I'm gonna get out of my trade. The market flush down. It will be good for us. Coming below the 20. That is what we expect here. Watching, trader. Gotta remain calm because there is nothing we can do. We have our stop and our target in the market. If the market hold here in reverse, Gonna have a big move up. It's possible. You see the market is holding. Gonna see flush down, continuation. See China is holding there. I'm still holding. I trade for the short. Consolidation. To move up, I'm gonna take a loss. See holding. Keep pushing down. A little bit. Let's see. Seller are pushing. Don't know if we're gonna have a big reversal here. Let's see. Want to see how trade continue to move down. Trader. See a rejection. Move up. I'm still holding here, trader. I'm ready to take a loss. It doesn't work. See holding. Reject. See a rejection from the low, pushing up now, turning green. I'm still holding. We are almost on the resistance here. It's not bad to keep holding. But those who want to get out and flip their trade, they are free to do that. For me, I'm still holding the trade. Want to see our trade pulling back down, breaking the 20. Continue down, trader. That is what I expect. Continuation down, break, trader. Want to see a big flush down, big red candle. Continue to arrêter nos trades. Pushing up. We're still holding at 20 Twitter. We're still holding at 20 EMA. Not easy. It's a battle. Big battle here between buyers and sellers. On va voir qui va prendre le dessus. L'acheteur ou les vendeurs. Je ne sais pas. J'arrête 20. Keep holding at 20 EMA. A lot of people are sitting there, filling orders. Yep. 20 EMA is very, very serious this evening. 20 EMA is strong. It's just GBP, who is already lower the 20. It's getting to the 50. So let's see. Want to see a continuation down. Look like seller taking over. Want to see a break, continuation down. Want to see GBP breaking the 50. Other guys breaking the 20. That we see here, watching our trade, we expect our trade to keep coming down. It won't be easier here, Twitter. Want to see a continuation down. Still holding. We're still holding on the 20. Most of our trade. Want to see Australian Japanese coming below as well. Red Japanese already below, which is great. Keep holding here. Red Japanese doing great. Don't want to see a rejection. Want to see Australia also taking the lead. The downtrend. Keep holding. You're watching. Moving lower, 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 high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Want to see a lower, lower. Don't know where these three gonna lead us, but I will keep holding it as much as I can. Keep holding here. Australia coming down, which is great. That's still above our entry point. See a rejection. See a rejection from lower. Trader still holding here for a short. So have our target, our stop there in the market. What we don't know is that we don't know what the market is going to do. I've been in the trade for more than an hour. Making money is not easy, you know. But you need to sacrifice your time, be patient, you know, and do what is good. We know that sometimes you do it, things doesn't work, don't take your direction. That is the nature of trading. So just watching here. We hope that our trade will continue down. It's possible. Moving back up. Go Japanese going up. We see a reversal here, but I'm still holding my trader. I'm not giving up until I get kicked out. Our trade are remaining above. I'm holding on the 20. Yep, we are holding on the 20 EMA here. So very difficult. Australia is pulling back up. See how our trade are pushing up. This battle today will not be easier, trader. Australia keep pushing up. Want to see Australia flipping back down. See our trade turning red. Well, our trade turning red right away, trader. Want to see USD Japanese breaking the 50. Let's see our trade breaking the 50. The continuation down. Trader. Want to see a continuation down on red. See holding. See holding here. Want to see Australia coming down. Want to see US breaking the 50. USD Japanese. Also Australia GBP. Euro. I see Euro coming to a new low. Holding on the winning trade is not easy, trader. Keep holding here for short. Keep holding. We're approaching 8:30 Eastern time. We're just in one trade. One round of trade. Already take us more than an hour and a half. Keep holding here for short. Australia look like you're gonna come down. See holding here, trader. Want to see our trade breaking the 50 on USD Japanese as well as GBP coming down. See holding here. See holding. Want to see our trade breaking the 50? Australia Japan hasn't done anything. Watching. Keep holding here, trader. Saw a rejection. Keep holding. Saw a rejection from the 50. All out trade. Can see holding. Watching Twitter. Keep holding. Australia keep holding above the 20, which is not good. Want to see our trade coming down. It's not easy to hold on the winning trade, trader. We know that. Still have time. We're approaching 9. I'm still holding here because my target's still far away down. I want to see my trade breaking the 50. You can do that. If you break the 50, that is the time Australia will come down. Sorry. Want to see our trade coming down, breaking the 50. You can do that. Still holding, trader. Keep holding here. Slowly we're moving down. Want to see the breaking 50 trader. Nice move. Don't want to see a rejection, want to see a continuation down. Want to see a break of 50. So let's see it sticking here. Want to see Australia coming down as well. Watching. Trader, I'm still holding here. Maybe we might have some kind of pullback at that level. It's possible, but I will still hold it. I'm still holding here. It's possible to see a big pullback there. We can also see a break, continuation. We Everything is possible. Trader pulling back up. Keep holding here. See, holding here. See Australia coming down. Approaching 9. Well, Japanese pulling back up. Trader pulling back up. See holding. See the pullback up. See holding trader. Want to see the lower. Let's see lower on Euro Japanese. Breaking the 50. Want to see Australia coming down. Lower also on China. Watching, approaching 9. Great move here, trader. Want to see a continuation down. Nice move. Want to see US Japanese coming to break the 50. Want to see Australia coming down. Nice. Nice move down. Great. Want to see Australia breaking. Continuation down. Trader. We don't want to see a rejection. We want to see a continuation down. Australia have to break. See holding. holding here. Nice. Australia. On the 50. We're Japanese. See holding. Want to see Australia Japanese coming down, coming down. So Japanese broke the support. Want to see a continuation down. We don't want to see a rejection. See holding, trade. See holding. See watching. Keep holding as well. Sorry about that. Trader, I'm still holding here. I'll trade, still holding. I'm still holding for the trade. So let's see. It's not easy to hold on the winning trade, trader. I want to see, hopefully, that our trade will keep going down, keep holding. Keep watching. So keep coming down. Keep holding on Australia. I'm see here, trader, holding. It's a very long trade. No? Nice. I'm still holding. Sorry. Nice move here, trader. Trying to see if it's possible to get my profit at this level, trader. Want to see if I can get my profit here, trader. Get my profit at this level. I know it's good. Take my profit here. Nice trade. You know, it's a very beautiful trade, trader. I know that still have continuation down, but this one is not bad, you know. So I took a very decent profit here. Nice trade, trader. Very nice trade. Was here. It's not easy to hold on the winning trade, trader. So this is a beautiful trade. Congratulations for those who hold it with me. It was good, trader. It's a very nice trade. We hold it for almost 2 hours. Was a good trade. Maybe those are still in, but those certain people are still in. It's good. Trade keep coming down. So that is one shot I give this evening. I don't want to take another trade at this time. This is fine, trader. Very beautiful trade. So trader is 9. You know, I think one short for today is not bad. We can just prepare now again for tomorrow trade. What can we learn from this, trader? What can we learn? We learned that we came up and find that the trade was here on the resistance, and the trade had been moving. As you can see, we have this move from the bottom to this level. Normally, this trade will keep continuing down right to here. It's possible, but we don't just know how, you know, because you can also see that you can have a trend line like this. See, you can play this trend line like this. We hit that You know, we can also take it this part like this. See that this is a trend line. So if we hit this, we take our profit at this level. It's not bad. We took profit at this level here. It's good because as you can see here, we have this trend line. Let me put it at which color? Okay, let's take a yellow one, and let's maybe add some. Okay. Oh, change the color of this guy. This is not what I wanted to change. Anyway, this is 20 EMA. No, this is 200 EMA. Yeah, 200 EMA here. It's not what I wanted to do. Let me put back what I had here before. 200 EMA. Okay, so this is the line I wanna. All right, this is the line. Okay. I put it blue. All right, this is the blue line I was talking about. So it's if we take our profit at this level, as you can see, we have our line here like this, and the trade hit here, and now we took our profit, went out. It's not bad, but this trade probably will continue down till this level. So we took our profit because the reason I went short with that, the trade will, we got down here, the trade went up and it touched this higher, double head, double top. This is the double top. See, that's the reason I went short on this trade. That's the reason. And if you see the other pair, that is what they did. They have double top here. That is one of the reasons I went short on the trade. So that was a good trade, trader. Even though you look at this guy, it does the same. We have double top here. I went short. So congratulations for ourselves. We know that it's not easy to hold on the winning trade. So we need to be happy with what we have. So now that is what we can learn from this is that when the trade we have this kind of move and if we have double top, we can go short without hesitation, and we did it even though we have been stopped out here twice and it didn't work well, but we got to be glad with what we had today, trader. So congratulations, and we hope that maybe we will keep having this kind of outcome. All right, trader. I'm going to pause here today. It was a pleasure for me to trade with you. Je disais que le trade aujourd'hui, nous pouvons tirer une bonne leçon. Nous avons vu la raison pour laquelle je suis allé short et que nous avons eu ces deux têtes. Après avoir vu une très grande montée comme celle-ci, après on a eu deux têtes. Alors le retour a été très bon. Ça a pris beaucoup de temps, mais c'est bon. Il y a des moments où les trades prennent beaucoup de temps. Même comme celui-ci m'a fait sortir. D'abord, je suis sorti ici, les deux. Ils m'ont jeté dehors. Ben, je suis réentré et ça a continué à marcher. C'est bon. Il y a des fois que vous entrez dans un trade. C'est pas peut-être le bon moment de prendre le short ou le long. Et ça vous jette dehors. Voilà. Et vous ne devez pas vous décourager. Vous pouvez toujours réentrer dans le trade. Ce trade risquera de continuer vers le bas. Voilà. Mais nous avons pris ce qu'il fallait. C'est important. Nous n'allons pas finir l'argent du marché. I'm happy with what I had tonight, trader. So we gotta stop here. It's 9, maybe 12 minutes after 9 or 13. This is what we got today. We're very grateful. We say thank you. Let's meet tomorrow again at 7 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Probably tomorrow morning we may have a section. Morning session. Probably. You gotta check. We don't know yet. Okay. So, thank you for watching, trader, and goodbye. Merci beaucoup. Demain, peut-être, nous aurons une session le matin, mais je ne suis pas encore sûr.